Technical script, Part 2 23rds. Focus, interface and convergence of the MGUs and the ESS within the VVA, ESP, RN01. Anchor interface and load transition. Analysis of the subframe anchoring points to the VVA, ESP, RN01. Management of dynamic forces derived from the MGU torque. Block 2. ESS integration as an active core. Structural anchoring of the ESS and its function in the torsional rigidity of the VVA, ESP, RN01. ESS thermal management systems embedded within the structure. Block 3. MGU, ESS, VVA ESP RN01 synergy. High voltage and data interconnection between the MGUs and the S through the VVA, ESP, RN01. Kinematic suspension load points and the direct interaction with the structure housing the ESS. Block 4. Summary and transition to Part 3. Synthesis, the integration of the MGUs and the ESS within the VVA, ESP, RN01 as the foundation of the technical packaging. Link, preparation for the suspension kinematics in the next part of the dissection.